Welcome to today's daily message. I begin today with a verse from the 8th chapter of the Gospel of Matthew. And a scribe came up to him and said, "Teacher, I will follow you wherever you go." And Jesus said to him, "Foxes have holes, and birds of the air have nests, but the Son of Man has nowhere to lay his head." As we know, Jesus was a wandering preacher, and wandering was an important part of his ministry and his message. And by the same token, we too are called to be wanderers. But wandering in our day and age doesn't refer to where we sleep or where we live. Wandering for us refers to where we place our trust. Where do we find our sense of security? Do we find security in our jobs, in our health, in our status, in our retirement investments? All of that is fine. But our primary trust, our basic security, as Jesus says, should be found in God. And the way we can wander in our lives today is by being ready to accept the changes that the Lord brings into our lives, by being ready to accept the will of God, no matter what that might demand of us or call from us. And so we, as Jesus, are called to be wanderers. And what that means for us today is to place our basic trust, our deepest trust, in the God who is with us at all times. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.